All right, guys, we're back. Here goes part two. This is our turkey bacon. So we're going to roll through with the same procedure. We can see over here, again, our turkey bacon. So I'm going to grab a slice of turkey bacon, and I'm going to bring that over to the balance. All the same procedure, right? I'm going to zero out the balance with a weighing tray on it. We got that zeroed. Here goes one slice of turkey bacon, right? So record that for your data. Got that. And I'm going to bring that over by the frying pan. All right, and again, this is our induction top cooker. We're going to get this thing going. Fry. And I know the question that you guys are asking, and you want to know, well, if we were in class with you right now, would we be eating our samples? And the answer is, yeah, man. This is one lab. You can eat your sample. You just got to make sure you get all your data first. So what we're going to be doing now, we're going to do the same procedure. We're going to look at a before and after weight, right? You have to figure out which one is losing more weight. We're going to take a look at which one rendered more fat, right? And kind of make a decision. If the fat is in the pan, or if the fat is not in the pan, where's the other fat going, right? If you have fat that's inside of that pan, it's in the pan, it's not in the bacon, right? If it's nothing in the pan, then it's in the bacon. So these are things you're going to determine, right? You're going to take a look at, and when you make your decision on which one of these is actually healthier. For me personally, I'll have turkey bacon once in a while. Regular bacon, I don't really ever have. But and even this is just a once in a while kind of thing. Right, so we've got our bacon going. And there's our turkey bacon frying up. It's true. I got this bacon, brought it home, and fried it up in a pan. Right, so in the pre-lab, you guys looked at questions about, right, like when these pieces are shrinking, you saw that, right, with the bacon, how much smaller that piece got from what we started with. You know, why is it shrinking? What is it losing? What exactly is going on? So these are things that we're trying to figure out, what we want to find out. Right? If you're going to want to adjust numbers, if you want to compare serving size to serving size, right? Like one is one strip, one is two strips, you can do that. You can do gram by gram. Might be the easiest way to figure it out. You know, you have to figure out also, you know, serving size as opposed to portion size. That's probably not the same thing. So all considerations when we're talking about how much fat is inside of that product, right? And when that fat will eventually, yeah, it's starting to get thicker already in the jar. What's going on inside of our bodies? These are questions I'm hoping that you're asking. So just to give you a peek over here, right? Stuff going on in the pan. It looks quite different than what was going on with the pork bacon, right? You don't see too much fat over there. Not sure what we're going to be able to render from this one. And this one is just about done here. Usually on these days, everybody's yelling at me in the hall by the end of the day because the whole science wing will smell like bacon. But it's just that they're jealous because everybody in here has been eating it all day. So I'm going to get this going over here. I have my turkey bacon. We have our tray we already zeroed out. So we're good to go. And here goes for your data table. This is the weight of the turkey bacon after. All right. And when I come back to that pan, I'm really not seeing anything I can pour out of there. So what I am going to do is I am going to grab a piece of paper towel. Let's get this zeroed. Oop. Let's zero that out again now. All right, and let me get the pan. Not much in here, guys. I'm working hard to get this. Woo! Not very much. That was all that we could render. Right? And look at that pan. Look at that thing. That's pretty much what it looked like after it was done. So guys, there we have it, right? We have two preparations of bacon. We have turkey bacon. We have pork bacon. Excuse me, when we're looking at numbers on the package, right, we're taking a look at all of that nutritional info, and we're taking a look at how much fat is in that pork bacon. We're looking at how much fat is in that turkey bacon and making a decision on what's better, but which one is leaving more fat behind before you eat it. These are things to consider when you're trying to figure out which one does contain more fat. And again, you know, take a look. Here goes what we are eating, right? There it is. That was one slice, and I'm sure you guys don't stop at one. All right, guys, that's it. You're going to need to flip over into your lab and take a look, start filling in some data, and start putting those numbers together and figure out what it is that you learned. Hopefully something good. All right, I will see you all next time.